Ever wanted to build your own dream farmhouse? I'm going to take you through the whole process I took to find, build, and design the perfect farmhouse for my family. I'm Michelle, Principal Designer at MR Interiors. I have been designing everyone else's dream home, and now it's my turn. Check out my new series, Hillside Farmhouse. My dream of building a home for my family is coming to life. Before we get started, follow me here. There's a lot more to come. This is an interesting experience for me, being on the other side of the table. I'm excited, I'm nervous, all of the emotions. Every detail is important to me, as I'm sure it is to you too, right? This is where the journey began for us. So we were set on a really big lot because we've lived in subdivisions with really tiny lots for the past 9 years. And we wanted a safe place for our kids to be able to be outside and run and play. Our family is all about the outdoors. The first step is to lay out the exterior design. I knew that I wanted a full width front porch and a side loading garage. I also knew that I wanted to break up the exterior with some stone and siding, and also the windows were a huge part of the initial design. We decided on a black exterior trim with thin mullions that'll flow seamlessly into the exterior. Tip 1 is to find a reputable builder that has strong communication skills, who stays on time and also communicates that timeline to you, which is super important. So where did I begin? I saw a house that I loved that was a friend of a friend's, and I asked her, who built this house, right? So she gave me the name of her builder, and he's this awesome, reputable guy who is booked years out. So I basically stalked him for a few years, and he agreed to come with me and take a look at lots. That's when the relationship began. Tip 2 is your lot selection. So we were set on a really big lot with space for the kids to run and play, but you have to decide for yourself, right? Do you want to be in the city? Do you want to be out in the country? And then also, how much land do you need? Do you want to be on an acre, or do you need more than that? Tip 3 is to start thinking about your layout and design. So what I would do is go to your favorite design websites and start saving boards down to say what you like, what you're gravitating towards, whether it's a darker aesthetic or a light, if you want to go with all white. That way it gives you a certain design direction to start with. And then from there, start looking at layouts as well of what you want in your house, how you want it to lay out. Are you going to do 2 stories or 1 story? Do you want a front loading garage side? Another way to find inspiration is to go online, obviously, and then also driving around, seeing what other houses that you're liking, even pulling, this is kind of old school, but pulling a magazine out and taking a look and start ripping out pages of things that you find interesting. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. In the next episode, we're going to be talking about what to do once you find the land, right here on Hillside Farmhouse.